My name is Divya. I have recently completed 45 days internship program of Iridium. I have learned here many skills like networking, virtualization, CCNA, Windows Administrator, and ITIL. And I have gained valuable knowledge, and I have also experienced how to give interview, and I got placed Outworks Private Limited. I would like to thank the whole Evision team, especially Mr. Prasanjit sir, Rahul sir, uh, Prince sir, and Apurva Saha sir, and HR team, Anamika ma'am, and Priya ma'am, and Sati ma'am, and I am very grateful and thankful of for the reason, and thank you so much.